Good day, everyone. The past 2 weeks have been tough, have been traumatizing.
Hello my people, how una dey? I hope everywhere dey mele like say tomorrow not day. Now maybe I say about gist, I don't show, I can't say I can't appreciate una when be say una way they show me love, it's not truly easy. May God really bless una. And if you know say you new for this channel, I beg, continue to show me love. Comment, like, share this video, make people see them, and put on the notification bell. Each time I upload new video, you will be the first to see my video. I can't show una love today. I can't thank una for the love you be say una dey show me. It's not truly easy. For my returning subscribers, much love to you all. Make una dey come here, come dey see the latest hot aproko gist. I go dey bring a hot for una. I dey try na make una see dey give me some as in regadera bar. So my people, watch the video. Una go see the new latest, always updating. I go dey update una. No understand. I deserve some accolade. But this one wake me. This one when it happen to real worry pikin, so and not be play at all. Real worry pikin they pass through a lot now. Now only God go fit help her and the family. I hope una don't watch the video. This video don't dey trade since how many days now for social media, where they say real worry pikin sign complaining as ambassador. Now the company don't carry people money bagger. And people come dey talk say real worry pikin e corroborate with the company deceive Nigerians, collect people money bagger. And a lot dey happen for this girl. I really pity real worry pikin. When I watch the video, I come dey share comment section, people come dey talk real worry pikin, the company just sign you, they just give you money, give you brand new car, go sell the car, make you refund our money back. Real worry pikin, you be scam, you scam Nigeria. Now wow, why e be say something happen for that country called Nigeria, something just happen now begin talk many things, but not be today na real worry pikin na dem dey sign her as ambassador. Everything when it be they advertise, everything dey okay. That una not saying a scam. Okay, something don't happen now, mistakenly happen now. Una don't they say in sign out with them, na scam. They deceive Nigeria because of say problem come out for inside. It was say as you do the business, everything go well, not be scam abi. At least make una say get conscience. Not be real worry pikin, e no go fit sign out with them because why? As a celebrity, and e no go fit spoil your business because of 10 million wey dey pay am. If e spoil e business with by cooperating with those company, how another person go fit take sign am again? Make una think before una dey talk. E no really easy. Real worry pikin talk a lot. He say that they threaten her, some even send her your address, we know you. Even the show when e be say e go for December, real worry pikin don cancel the show because the life dey risk somehow, because e go fit dey show now they light am throway. So make she just be careful now, make he apologize to them, make he really tell them things they need to understand. So my people, I will drop the video for you guys to watch. You will listen yourself. So no una drop una comment, no una give a positive comment, because it's not really easy. She dey really dey pass through a lot now. May God give her the strength, and I pray may everything dey okay.
The past 2 weeks have been tough, have been traumatizing. Reading messages from my fans who invested with benignant thoughts is heartbreaking, so painful to know that these fans invested with this company because of me. I can't function properly. I'm trying to move on. I'm trying to function, but I can't. I even had to cancel my show that was supposed to happen December 5th this year, because I'm not even in that space. You know, I'm very sorry that my fans at this time, considering the economy and how the country be, this one could see the happen to her based on seeing a company when I bring to her. It's so painful. I am terribly sorry. Early this year, I got contacted by Benignant Fort to be their brand ambassador. My team and I, even my lawyer, we did our investigations. We had series of meetings with the Benignant brand, you know, to really ask questions. They gave us different certificates from SEC, CAC, insurance, you know, and then they had faces to this brand. They had offices. And one of the reasons why I say, this investment company is really different from other ones. So their interest rate, the ROI was really low, you know. So I said, okay, let's give it a try. The money where they pay me as brand ambassador was 10 million naira. When they pay me that money, we invest them back to the company. I was excited. I said, this company, you know, I even did a 6 months anniversary on my page to say I've been an ambassador for 6 months and it's been good news, you know, testimonies and everything. 27th of October, I got a call from Michael, one of the Benignant staff. Tell me to say they want alt investment arm or Benignant company. I say, how? Immediately I called Mr. Philip. I said, what is up? You won't take that kind of decision. Why? He said, get reason why. And if you not do them now, things go spoil. I'm like, So what about investors' money? He said, investors are going to get back their capital. I said, fine, no problem. Immediately, they started paying back capital. I even see her with my kurokuro eye. Started paying back capital and everything. Small time, I hear say, he stopped. I call him. He said, yes, they had to stop for now, but they will start repayment, you know, because of some kind of paperwork where they won't do and everything, assets, you know, just tell me some kind of things. I still ask them, why you stop investment? What will happen? He said, go tell me when the time comes. See, but right now, the decision when it takes on, I be the best decision, you know. I see many messages from people. I see what the blogs they carry. They say, me and Mr. Philip now lovers with defraud Nigeria. Really? I don't want to. I want it possible. No, now. I even they see. I get death threats. I get messages. Some people they send me my address safe. Say I know say the company in a fraud. No, now. I do my due diligence. See, say they legit. Now make her promote them with my full chest. I involve my family, my friends, my staff for office, fellow colleague for the industry. They invest. I no go intentionally defraud anybody for my life. I no fit. And I understand the frustration. Oh. I understand the dragging. I understand the frustration because I've been there before. I understand. But please, I'm begging. Benignant Fort, they send us email. Every time they update us. Even they do Facebook Live and everything. He no run. Me, I don't see him. I saw him once. Because I had to see him to make sure that he's in this country. I don't know past what I don't talk so. I'm as confused as you. As an investor, as an ambassador. The hope is that, as Mr. Philip said, payments will continue and it will not stop until every one of us gets the capital back. Once again, I am sorry that this happened. I am terribly sorry.